Good morning. It's Mike here. Hope you're having a great day or night. 50 degrees here in Arizona with a 40% chance of rain today. I'm currently in the downtown area of Casa Grande. Bright and early, gonna hit my favorite thrift store, little mom and pop thrift store, Against Abuse. Hopefully they're open. They have weird hours. So today I'm gonna be hunting around looking for some profits. Probably package up some orders, the typical stuff. So let's see what we do today. If the gate's open, they must be open, right? Thrift. Gotta love it. Gotta love it. Ooh, what do we got? Junkage out here. What are we having out here today, boys and girls? A free-for-all sale. I dig it. Let's go out here and check her out.
What we got here is fill the bag for $5.
Clock, but there's nobody here. Guess we'll just chill out for a little bit, see if we can find anything. Quick and easy. I love this little place here. Always find something. I didn't get any home runs, but just some basics. Some little basic tools that I use for my reselling business that'll make me some money. So let's hit up one more store here and see if we can find something pretty darn cool, amazing, and make some profit, that's for sure. Getting the Christmas tree already. Getting it already. Yeah, baby. Hey, there's a nice looking TV right there. What time do they open? Oh, looks like they changed their hours. It opens at 9. I'm not waiting here 45 minutes. So, we'll visit you a little later in the day, Salvo Army. Had to bust out the big table here. Been really busy with some Amazon orders and doing a lot of merchant fulfilled, so had to bring out the table because I just didn't want to deal with it in the garage. Plus I was making a bunch of boxes, so I got a bunch of stuff over here. So hey, let's look at what I picked up at just the one thrift store here. I plan on going out a little later this afternoon and hitting up some more, but let's look at some stuff here. Okay, got all this stuff here for roughly about $12. 2 OEM Wii remotes, just tested those work. Picked up this Canon. These do pretty well. It's new, it's sealed. And this little guy was just sitting there looking at me. I said, all right, I'll take you home. What's your name? Sammy, the owl. Microsoft Xbox 360, Universal Media Remote. This was a heck of a find here. Bose remote control. Look these up. It's an RC9. I've sold these well in the past, and they got a heck of a sell-through rate. $40 I think I can get for that. Here we've got some hats. These hats here need to be restored. Go Hike the Canyon. There's an NRA hat, the Bill of Rights, and then We're More Fun in Sands, Las Vegas. Southwest Gas. These are ready to rock and roll. These are all dead stock. Evergreen Air Center out of Pinal County, Arizona, and Flying J Travel Plaza. And then also here we've got this Symphonic 4-head VHS player / recorder. It's got the 19 micron heads on it. This is a nice unit here. This should bring $35 and up on eBay. So I'm going to test all this stuff, list this stuff. I want to get the stuff online right this minute and get some things rocking and rolling. Maybe we could sell something here before the end of the video. All right, so I want to show you guys this here if you are looking for some arbitrage items, maybe a good Christmas gift for somebody, or, you know, again, to flip this stuff. I've done very well with these over the years, and you get these at Ace Hardware. Right now, till the end of December, they've got these nice 10-piece socket sets that are typically about $22.99 in the store. These are the inches, the inch version, and then we got the metric version here, so standard and metric. Just again, 10-piece socket wrench set, $9.99. So you can flip these online. You're not going to get a lot of money out of this deal, whether it's eBay or Amazon. You're going to make a profit, but you know, these are great for flipping locally too, or again, for a gift for somebody. So go check out your local Ace Hardware. It's the place. So I got to get busy here, guys. I got to get the stuff listed. I got orders to package up, and we'll see what else we do today. This is how we do it. Just listed these items up here, and we're getting some sales in. These two Nintendo genuine OEM white controllers, lot of 2 tested and worked, sold for $19.95, shipped. Looks like we found Sammy a new home. That was quick. This Ty Beanie Boos, Sammy the Owl 6-inch plush Ty Beanie Baby, toy Beanie Baby, doesn't matter. It's sold for $11.45, shipped. Literally sold in 15 minutes. All right, we're on a roll here. This Microsoft Xbox 360 genuine OEM remote sold within 30 minutes of me listing it for $10.75, shipped. Oh yeah, I'm in the groove, baby. Oh, love it, man. I love it. This Canon ink cartridge combo 4-pack new with the black and the C, the M, and the Y, man. Sold this, actually I took a best offer on it. I had it up there for $39 or $40, and somebody messaged me, another ink supplier that buys on eBay, said, would you take $35? I said, yes, I will. I'll take it today. Are you paying today? Here's your $35, and it's sold. $35 with free shipping. Gotta love it. How cool is that? I love it when you list something and it sells the same day. Man, that's just reassurance, right? Not big money, but it's money, man. It's money in the pocket. So I'm going to do round 2 here and hit up the Salvation Army here. I didn't want to stay in line earlier. I mean, I sit there for 40 minutes to be in line. You know, am I missing out? I don't know. Who knows? But we're going to find some opportunities here. It's a little windy at the moment. It'd be nice if it rained a little bit. The old flowers need that. So let's cruise on over to the Salvation Army. Damn, somebody tagged up this whole area. Craziness. Gang wars. All right, we're back for more. It's hipping and hopping now. Same vans here. Craziness. What are we gonna pull out of here today? All right, just got out of the Salvation Army. Scored pretty good, no doubt about it. I was walking out and I just walked right by this thing and I'm like, no way. So I looked and I was like, I paid for everything else, and then this thing was $13, and she handed me a 25% off coupon because I paid for the first batch, and so I bought it. So I'm gonna head home, guys, here. Actually, I gotta run over and grab some food for the day, and then I'll show you guys here towards the end of the video what I picked up from round 2 thrift store shopping here in Arizona. All right, back home here for round 2 of the thrift haul, and I spent $21. Same store. I was in the store and then I was walking out and I saw something, but let's just go into what we got here. Got this Tommy Hilfiger jeans, extra large. Got the flag logo there. It's kind of neat. Just a sport gray crew neck sweatshirt. This one here, I've been looking for this for a while. I had this when I was a kid. I just love these things. What did you call this kid? The chamois?
Yeah, remember when I first saw him? I was a chamois.
Mm-hmm. It's the Absorber 3000. This thing rocks, man. Yeah, these things come in handy. Look, it even says you can wash dogs with it.
No.
Seriously, I could have sworn there's a picture of a dog. Yeah. Right there. This guy's washing choice of top groomers. You can wash a dog down with it. That's crazy. I guess I never noticed that.
Try it on Pookie.
No, we're not trying on Pookie. All right, so that's that. This is cool. You know, yeah, you know what it is. Come on, man. I was sitting there, I'm like, really? Is this real or is it a repop? Tampa Bay Buccaneers Sports Specialties Mesh Trucker. There you go. This thing is pretty dope. Definitely late 80s. It's got one little flea bite right there, but man, that's got everything going for it. That should good for bring some coin. Took a little stab in the dark at this. Mega Fortress sealed PC game. Brand new sealed there. Looks like maybe somebody was working some kind of Amazon deal with it. I don't know. I figured let's try eBay with it. Yeah, that's an Amazon tag there. So maybe a long tail type of thing. Obviously not going to list it on Amazon. I don't know. Maybe it's worthless. Maybe I'm going to lose out on my, what I paid, half of that, $2. And then when I was walking out, I saw this. I'm like, okay, really? Rock Band 2 for the Xbox 360 Special Edition. It is complete in the box. The box has some wear, but that's okay. And it also came with the Fender Stratocaster guitar. So that's a nice little find there. Yeah, not just, I was out and about 2 stores, guys. 15 minutes in the first store, probably 20 minutes in the second store. So we're at about 35 minutes, just under an hour. Sourcing this product, you know, banged it out early in the morning. I listed the stuff and sold some stuff. So life's good. Appreciate you watching today's video. Till next time, I'm out of here. Peace. Vlog over. Get it done. Get it listed. Don't let it pile up on you. Oh, I almost forgot here. In a previous video, somebody said, you need to clean your windshield. It's too dirty. It's dirty. So let's clean it up. Get all nice and sparkling clean, like a mirror. Just like that. Clean, clean, clean. Ready for the next drive-in vlog. Yeah, baby. Go be great.